like the S1000 just took the R1. I should have turned my GoPro on for that. I just raced Mustang Dame and we were neck and neck until like 160, then he started pulling on me. That was a close run. Man, that bike makes 320 horsepower. It shows in the upper RPMs. Once you get up there past 160, it just starts pulling. That thing's a monster up top. So the R1 and the 2020 S1000 were neck and neck. That's crazy. I would have thought that thing would have ran from you. So he just raced a brand new M package 2020 S1000 pipe and tune against the 2018 R1 pipe and tune, neck and neck. I thought the S1000 would run from it. That's wild. I just turned my GoPro on. I missed half of these races. He gave me the hit. That's the only reason I won. He gave me the hit. That was the only reason I won that race. That bike is nasty. Yeah, that bike is nasty. I would not touch that thing. Oh, here we go. He's running Eve's bike. I think no, it looks like he pulled around Eve's bike in the top end. I had no idea that bike made 340 wheel horsepower. Absolutely nuts. Stock bottom end too. Round 2. Neck and neck. Looks like he's pulling him up top though. Yep. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. I'm doing 96 and he's pulling from me. Hey, let me run him. Oh, okay. You take a head start. A good old game of horsepower just running away in the top end. Want redemption? You want redemption? Got so much power. That thing is ridiculous. Ridiculous. I was trying to line up against him and you got there, so I was like, all right. It bit off a little more than you could chew. I said, bring our R1 up here, let's drag it through the mud. Line him up with the stretch, supercharged gear, H2, cam, intercooler. Yeah, you got a pipe on that thing though. Every time I race that bike, It's faster. I mean, there's no doubt about it. That bike is faster than my bike. Without a doubt. Wheelie, no wheelie, up, down, left, right, sideways, it don't matter. That bike, any way you cut it, it's gonna beat me. Mustang Dame going up against 650's bike. Abe's bike pulls around him. Yep, it's over.
Man, your bike runs good.
Thanks, man. That thing's a freaking beast.
Make sure you put it in your video.
Oh, I will for sure. Win or lose, it's going in there.
All right, ready?
Yeah. Well, guys, I think that's the end of the racing for today. So far, we have been racing all day. All day. Even the ride home. We're just racing the entire way. Couldn't have asked for a better day. Rain held off. Everything feels great. I mean, this thing really surprised me on how well it took it to these bikes. I mean, especially running against that bike. That bike right there. That thing's a monster. 340 horsepower. 340 horsepower. Didn't beat it, per se. Held our own, though. Held our own, for sure. And I mean, even against Mustang Dame, that was a great race. His bike makes 320 stock wheelbase. I held my own until 160-ish. We still got about another hour ride. And from there, we got about 3 hours of drive time. Woke up at 5 a.m. to come out here. I think it's like 8 o'clock right now. So I have been out all day. But I hope you guys enjoy this stuff, because, I mean, I had a blast. I'm sure you guys will like the footage. Like and subscribe. Let me know below if you guys liked it. Let me know how you thought I would do against these monsters, and if I did good. I thought this bike is phenomenal. Time to add more power is my thought.